Hello everyone, welcome to Master Alley. My name is Sylvia. The product I will be sharing with you today can be used for your DIY project, also good for any construction project, because in addition to cutting and sanding, it also has many different functions. The product I'm sharing with everyone today is the Oscillating multi-tool. There are many brands in the market, like DeWalt and Worx. Makita and Bosch has STARLOCK in their design. This is Devon's newest version of the Oscillating multi-tool, 5951-20. Let's unbox and test it.
Test 1. Cutting wood with low simulated force applied. 2.27 pound. Devon 73 seconds, DeWalt 109 seconds, Bosch 117 seconds, Makita 236 seconds. Worx failed to cut through. Second test, cutting wood with 6.3 pounds. Worx 18 seconds, Bosch 14 seconds, Makita 9 seconds, DeWalt 13 seconds, Devon only 6 seconds. Third test, cutting 10mm diameter steel beam. Bosch 14 seconds, Makita 10 seconds, DeWalt 22 seconds. After 50 seconds, the blade of the Worx melted. Devon took only 6 seconds. In terms of vibration, Worx 160.2, Bosch 96.9, Devon 14.5, Makita 12.3, DeWalt 114.5. Let's talk about the test result. How does Makita and Devon have such outstanding result? It is because these two parts are separate. Look here. The cutting part and the body is two different parts. So when you cut with it, the separate part design will reduce the vibration transmit to the user. Were you surprised after seeing those tests? This oscillating multi-tool surprisingly outperformed other brands. You might ask, are you sponsored to produce favorable results? Let's look at it this way. Devon released their oscillating multi-tool just this year, while other brands have released their product quite some time ago. I believe Devon has learned from the other brands. This testing data doesn't lie. When I was testing the tools, after many tests, it was very obvious that the Devon cutting speed is much faster than the others. Vibration measure also wipes the floor compared with others. STARLOCK have been released for several years. but it has never really been that popular. Why is that? Is it because it's just another fancy marketing term to make you spend money? The answer is right here. Blades with traditional locking mechanism, like this one, clamps here and move. STARLOCK is like this leak. You hold it and twist. This is just so much more surface area and more torque can be applied. It also looks like a bottle cap. Back to the main topic, how does STARLOCK help improve cutting speed? Traditional oscillating multi-tools has a 1.6 to 1.7 degree turning angle. Devon's design is 2 degrees, 4 degrees if we add up both sides. Don't underestimate this seemingly small difference. Because of this movement range, give the sawdust more room to come out. When drilling or using this tool, the problem is the tip always ends up getting stuck. Then it will start to heat up because it cannot move. Number 2. The extra range this tool provides gives it more room on 2 ends. A common problem when using this tool is when you're cutting it, the blade gets stuck, making it hard to control. People always say this tool vibrates too much. Why is that? This is because when it gets stuck, the vibration will transfer to your hand. When the front doesn't vibrate, then the main body will. When cutting space expands, the cutting speed will massively increase. Back when Bosch originally debuted the first-gen oscillating multi-tools, STARLOCK was split into STARLOCK, STARLOCK Plus and STARLOCK Max. What are the differences? Is it another marketing term to trick you into spending more? Typically, a blade is full of holes. The more holes there are, the less metal there will be, and the torque will also be reduced. But if you notice, this STARLOCK Max blade, the only hole on the blade is this one. So when the blade is just one big piece of metal, its torque will be much higher. This is why STARLOCK was invented. If it catches on the mainstream, I can't wait for more different specialized blades to come out.
In this video, Sir spent a lot of time and effort, tested and retest. Over 100 blades was used. If you have doubts about our test results on this product, you're welcome to come to our workshop to try it yourself. If you liked this video, please give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends.
In terms of blade installation, Worx and DeWalt can use both traditional blades and STARLOCK blades. However, for DeWalt, if you want to install a STARLOCK blade, you will need an additional tools to do so and a hex key. These 3 in the middle can only support STARLOCK blades. Bosch can use STARLOCK but not STARLOCK Max.